morning children. How are you all? Doing good? Yes. Then had your breakfast? Very good. Then shall we move to the class? Let's tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 11th. We are in October month. Year is 2021. Today Monday. Today is Monday, right? Yes. So you have World Day. That's all, right? Yes. Okay. We will see the thought for the day, children. Yes. A person who feels appreciated will always do more than is expected. Okay, this is the thought for the day. Yes, children. So, take out your World and Day book. Yes, take out your World and Day book. Yes. Which lesson, children? Yes, lesson 5. Because lesson 4 we completed. Now lesson 5. Let us try again. Let us try again. Open page number 11. Yes. What is the lesson name? Let us try again. It is important to say sorry when we do something wrong. We always correct ourselves to try to do the task again. Yes. See, it is important to say sorry. Whatever wrong you are doing right, you need to tell sorry. Okay, you should apologize yourself. Okay, when you are doing something wrong, right? We can always correct ourselves. We can correct our mistakes also. Okay, and we should try to do that. Which we have done wrong, that we should try to do in a correct way. Okay? Yes. Then next, what should we do when we make mistakes? Yes, what we should do, children, when we are doing mistakes? What we should do? Tell me. Yes, here they have given. You have to tick that. Okay, tick the right answers. First one is Romil and Usha are classmates. Romil took Usha's book without asking her. Usha is angry. Yes, what should Romil do? What he should do? Never talk to her again. Say sorry or promise never to take the book without asking again. Which you will do, children? Yes, you should tick it. Okay? See here. See here. See. What should Romil do? What he should do? Never talk to her again. He should not talk or say sorry. Or say sorry, promise never to take the book without asking again. Yes, the last one is correct. You should say sorry and he should say, yes, again I will not take without asking your permission. I will not touch your things like that. He have to promise. Right, children? Yes, so this is the correct answer. Tick it. Then turn next page. Yes. Next is second one. One day Ramana was making a sandwich for his mother. He put a lot of sugar instead of salt. What do you think he should do? See, something he is doing sandwich and all. Oh, Ramana to his mother. He is putting a lot of sugar instead of salt. Yes, for sandwich they should use salt only, not sugar, right? But he has used sugar. What do you think he should do? What he should do? Cry over it. He should cry, yeah? No need to cry. Why he should cry, right? Stop making the sandwich. Try to make the sandwich again. What he should do? He should make it again. No option, right? Because he is putting sugar. How can they eat that? Right? So what he should do? He should try to make again one more sandwich. Okay. So last one you should tick it. Tick it, children. Yes. Then next. Third one. Kita is making a card. She starts painting on the paper, but she does not like the bird she makes. What should she do? What she should do? She is making something card and she is starting to paint on the paper. But she does not like that bird. She is not liking that bird which she has drawn. Okay, painted. What she should do then? Make it again. Throw it away. Add more colors to make the bird prettier. What she should do? Yes, she should add more colors to make the bird prettier. Yes, more colors. And she should make it still beautiful. Okay. Instead of throwing, instead of making again one more, she can do this. That is easy thing, right? So last one you can tick. Okay. Yes. Then next. Can you draw a perfect apple the first time you try? First time you are drawing the apple, then you will do it perfectly or you will try again. It will not come first time only, everything will not be coming perfectly. Later on only you will learn to draw beautifully, right? So, no. Okay, so tick it now. Okay, yes. Then we use eraser to rub out our mistakes on paper. Yes. Whatever we are doing mistakes, we are using eraser to erase our mistakes in the paper, right? Yes. Then we write again, right? Yes, after rubbing you will write again. In the same way, when we do something wrong, we can try again. Yes, we have done something wrong. Again we can try. Okay, that is not a fault. Anything we are doing wrong, again we can try to do it correctly, right? So, first time only everything will not come correctly, right? Perfectly, everybody can't do in a first thing only, right? Later on only they will do well, right? You people also, you are studying also, you people, first you were very poor. Nowadays you are improving, right? So, this will show your improvement, right? Because you are doing again and again, that's why you are improving. If you do it once if you do, if it is not coming properly, then if you leave it there itself without trying, then where you will improve? You will not improve, right? So you need to try again and again. If you try, definitely one or the other day you will be perfect. Okay? Even here also like that only. Everything. Even before I was not knowing anything cooking and later on I only learned my cooking, how to cook everything. Nobody taught me, Yes, my mother also was very ill. So she would not able to teach me to how to cook also. That was my problem. So after my marriage, then I only started learning and I started cooking. Now I will cook good. Yes, like that. Even you also, in your life also, this may happen, right children? Now you are not reading properly, you are not writing your handwriting properly, but later on you will improve because you have to try, then only you can improve. If you are not trying, you will not improve in anything. So you should try on. Then one day definitely you will succeed. Okay, this is the lesson children about that only. Okay, then page number 13. How to correct a mistakes. How you will correct children mistakes? It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes each and everybody will do in this world. Without making mistakes, nobody is there. Right children? Each and everybody will do mistakes. Me also, you also, everybody will do mistakes. Right? Here are some things you can do when you have done something wrong. Something wrong you have done. Here are few things you can try that. Okay? You can say sorry. If you have done anything wrong, you can say sorry. Or you can make the corrections in that. If you have done mistake, you can correct that mistakes also. And redo. Otherwise you can do again. 3 options are there. These 3 you can do. Right? Then next we have ice cream for. Do you think we should say sorry when we do something wrong? Yes? No? Maybe you should do that. Okay? We should give up after making one mistake. We should give up after making one mistake. After doing one mistake, you will not at all do anything. You will just sit quiet. Yes, no, maybe. That also you should tick. Okay? Then we might not get things right the first time, but we can always try again. Yes. We will not get at a one day. If you are writing now only, everything perfectly you cannot write. Right children? There will be some mistakes, right? So, you can try again. If you try again, one day you will write very neatly, perfectly. Right? Mistakes all will do. Right? Even I will do mistakes. You will also do mistakes. Even in the cursive writing and all, they have done mistakes. Right? This. So, I have been underlined which is mistakes. Right? Then you will again recorrect it. Redo. Rub it and write again neatly. Then you will get perfectly. Okay? So, you should do like that. Whatever things is there, you should do again. Then definitely it will come correctly. First time only everything won't come correctly. Right children? Yes. So, you have to try to do again and again. You have to not leave your mind. Yes, you have to do. Okay? Yes, one day you will succeed. Right? Yes, this is the lesson about just let us try again and again we need to try. That is the lesson here. We are trying again and again when we are doing some mistake, right? Yes, in that way only this lesson also is there. Okay? Yes, so complete page number 11, 12 and 13 and send it in the group for correction. Okay? Today we will end up the class because we completed lesson 5. Right? Yes. Then we will meet you in the next class. Bye.